What's up, guys? Let me show you what we're working on. So we got my frame back from powder coat. What we're kind of working on is we're gonna start with putting all our parts, like the interior and stuff like that, go from the center out, and then so we're gonna do that. You can see all our parts are kind of scattered around right here, and then here's all our fresh powder coat. Got your driveline cages, all your 4-links, tie rods. And today we're going to be working on retapping all the threads, putting all our brand new FK rod and heims in. Then after that we'll come back over here, like I said, start on the interior. We'll probably do the steering column first. Get our steering column in, run all the wiring, do all the hoses, and then kind of start on the bigger parts.
You see these tabs right here? These are where the Flexolite tranny coolers go on Eric's truck. We want to put them in now because if we don't, we're going to put all the interior in first, making it much harder to put these tranny coolers inside the truck.
Just got the transfer case, went through the gears, changed the oil in it, made sure it was ready for next year. If you want to check this out, kind of where it goes, if you guys already know. So the mounts are right here for the transfer case. We'll get that in, and then once that's in, it'll get us ready to put all our drivetrain in. Is that going on the outside?
Seems like it.
It is today. Good.
Oh, we having fun over there, Rudy?
Yeah.
What you doing?
Taking out the bolts.
I thought I was dropping them. What about you, Eric? You just waiting on Rudy?
I'm building a rocket.
I want to see a rocket.
I don't remember if he's going. Oh, that's hopefully the nut fits in there, huh?
Uh-oh.
Well, cut it off.
Hey guys, what's happening? Mike came up from Arizona. He's going to do our differentials for us once a year. We replace the bearings and the locker. Thanks to Eden Corporation, they gave us 2 brand new lockers for this year. Couldn't do it without all their support. This is one of the things we do every year in order to make sure we have less problems throughout the year. Make sure you continue to watch. You'll see Mike disassemble this and rebuild it. Make it better than new.
How's it going, guys? We want to show you what we're working on in the shop today. We just got our shipment of brand new FK rod ends in, and since we got these powder coated, we wanted to tap them and make sure all the threads were clean, so the heims thread right in. And once we got done with that, we're gonna come over here. We got our diffs all rebuilt. Got our brand new Eaton lockers in, and we're gonna set the diffs in, silicone them, And then once that's in, we can throw, once we have our forelegs all assembled, throw the axles underneath. We already got the drive shafts underneath, all ready to go. And as we talked earlier before, we got the interior, we wanted to wire the interior, get that all done. That's all finished, buttoned up. And if you stay tuned, we'll show you how we throw the axles underneath it.
So before we put all the interior inside, we want to put these Flexolite tranny cooler. So before we put, keep going.
Alright, ready? How's it going, guys? No, that was messed. This is gonna take like 100 takes though.
Yeah.
Should I be taking it apart while he's doing this?
No, he's got.
That's what I do.
Maybe beat it is a lot better on the camera.
So this here's the spinny thing that we put in the back of the
Remember
truck.
that video we did it?
And I don't know. I'm getting.
Well, since Eric screwed up this interview and couldn't do it, I'll go ahead and fill in for him. We're gonna put 2 brand new lockers from Detroit Locker in them, and as you know, we thank Detroit Locker, right?
Yeah, so go from there after.
Okay. These are some of the maintenance things you do in order to make sure the truck runs at its top all season long. Stay tuned to watch the whole video and you can see it all in slow-mo.
If you do it again, just more fluid, whatever.
You're killing me.
Need the Snickers.
Yeah. Alright.
Okay, well, how should I say? I don't like saying because I always say like, "What's up, guys?" Like I feel like I say
Sub
that
sub
too
sandwiches.
much.
Just call them sub sandwiches.
Be your own person.
Hey sub.
Go. Hello.
What? I thought he was gonna walk and I was gonna put it in.
Okay.
Come on, superstar.
Just give it to me. I'm gonna put it in right now.
Keep it
Alright, I'll just say it. Okay, I'll just say it. Okay.
It's rolling. Yeah.
Beautiful.
For blue.